guys, I don't know if I'm late to the party, but I made a discovery and I wanted to share it with you ASAP. When I wanted to start my YouTube channel and I was looking around for the best audio choices and how to improve the audio of my videos and how to make the echo a little bit less and film voiceovers for my art, I didn't find a lot of information, and the ones I found were about microphones I could buy and use, and I am using one of those right now for this kind of videos. But I discovered the cheapest solution for good audio for your voiceovers for your art videos. You know what it is? You already have it at home. This little guy right here. It's actually the hands-free for my phone. I had to use it once because of some circumstances, never mind, and I realized that this little guy here actually provides very good audio quality for voiceovers. It's a little bit impossible to link this to the phone right now and film a video like that, but for voiceovers, trust me, it works. And it's free, practically, because if you have a phone, you probably have hands-free for your phone as well. So before you go out and buy expensive microphones, check it out. Yours might be a very good quality too, and you might not even realize it just yet. I don't know why no one ever mentioned this when I was looking around. I hope this video helps. And maybe not for just artists, maybe for other people as well who are looking for good audio solutions for their videos and don't have a bunch of cash to spare. That's all. I hope it helped. Bye.